Hey guys, what is up? And today we're gonna play a game called Roll Over the Ocean, aka Roto. You can download this in with your Android phone and Google Play. I'll put the links in the description below. So right now we are at the menu. I'm gonna press start, and you could access the menu by clicking the pause button either on the left side in my case, or maybe in yours it's located at the right side. So we have the restart button, quit button, control keys. I'm there's three control keypads that you could use. One is the keypad right, the tilt, and the keypad left. And below is the save screenshot and the share screenshot menu. So to get back to the game, you just need to press the play button. The basic movement is, if you're using the keypad right, it's located on your right side. So it's an up, down, left, right, side, forward, up, and sideward downs. So just think of it as a compass. You have your north, south, west, and east, and you have a northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. So I currently have the lava ball skin, but we could go inside the tent here. Let's roll inside the tent, and you could choose several skins for your character. You have the default skin, which is the third rock, the not Batman skin, Marvin Manhunter, my lava ball, Juan Snow, Dwayne, and Shadow Lantern, and Beach Ball. So let's go back. No. Going up here. Oh, I got 3 free chests. I can open this up for goodies. Just got 15 there. I don't know if I actually picked that up or not. I'm just gonna assume I just picked that up. Alright. Oh, didn't pick that one up. Alright. Now you could watch some advertisements for rewards. This was made using the Unity game engine. Pick that up. Alright, so let's start. Okay, the excuse me. The key on playing this game is not to fall. It's okay to get hit by those turrets there, because you don't die by turret hits. You die by falling to the ocean. Yeah, be careful. So along the way you can pick up these coins, which will grant you access to new skins and possibly different things in the future. So it's an easy game. Ooh, don't you fall down. So you just play it slowly. As you can see, I just passed the spiky thing. I'm gonna take these keys. These keys are used to open those somewhat iron chests. And I just stepped on a landmine. Oh shit. Oh no 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 no. No 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 no. Gotta move, gotta move. And the earth is actually collapsing. Don't fall down. Right. Now this, it's the, some kind of a shield. I gotta move, gotta move, gotta move, gotta move. When the earth is shaking, that's a sign that the land is collapsing. So you gotta move as fast as you can to survive. Sometimes I ignore the oh shit. Sometimes I ignore the gold because I don't need that much unless I'm chasing to buy. What? What? Oh, how? Is this the end? Is this real life? What? What the heck? Alright, I guess. I don't know. What happens then? I don't know where to go. So that ends my playthrough. I don't know, maybe that's a known bug, but I can't go anywhere after that. There are only 2 landmasses left, so whatevs. Right, deuces. Goodbye, people. And I'm not saying goodbye yet. I just need to stretch my arm because I just woke up. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys try to play this as well, and beat my distance goal score, which is 74 right now. Don't fall. Current high score is 110, but someone already has beaten me to that. I think there's a 200 high score right now. So let me know what are your high scores. You can download this in the Google Play Store. I'll put the link in the description, or I'll put the link in the in my Facebook page. And that's all. Thank you guys again for watching. Peace out.